Hello. If you wanna see your watch history on Instagram, then you are in the right video. So let's go. First of all, click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Now click on the three-line icon at the top right. See, the main thing is you can't see your watch histories, but you can see your interaction histories. For example, look at the third option, your activities, just click on it. Now likes, comments, notes, takes, sticker responses, and the reviews. With these options you can see your watch histories. If you watch any videos, posts, reels, or whatever it may be, and if you like that post or reels or video, for example, if I click on likes, so these are the posts and reels that I liked on Instagram. If you see any photo, video, and a reel on Instagram, and if you liked or comment on it, then you can see that only particular post history. And if you made any comments on any post or video, then go back. Now click on the second option, on comments. I haven't commented on any post on Instagram, so there's no any post showing up here, okay? So this is how you can see your interaction histories, not all of your watch histories, okay? If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye-bye.